Hey, what's going on today, everybody? We're here and we're gonna go for a ride in a twin turbo Lamborghini Huracan, and we're gonna go give it kind of a full review. We're gonna go through the car a little bit more and give it some kind of compare it to some of the other cars that are in that kind of range and stuff like that. And we'll get some awesome rollers. We're gonna go for a photo shoot with it, and so let's get to the ride. Okay guys, here's the inside of the Huracan. Absolutely absurd. We got Zach over there, and yeah, crazy view. Gonna freak out half the town right here. It's gonna be crazy.
It's got a little different noises.
Yeah. Didn't know we were in a jet. Jeez.
The UFO action.
No, literally. So what's the car pushing right now?
I got it in low boost, so
Low boost?
like 1100.
Okay, just 1100. That's not too much. It's just the right amount.
We got it for a little tame right now.
Oh yeah, that's nothing bad. Nothing too crazy.
Just as long as no soccer moms come out, we won't be getting gapped. Hopefully.
Hopefully not. Yeah. Jeez. Oh my word.
That's a little.
Dude, that's nuts.
The noises are just the best part. That's the fun.
Jeez. That's insane.
I'll ramp it up. We'll go medium boost.
Good,
for
you're
you.
good.
I won't dink around with the little guy. Make sure we got all the rocks out.
Yeah. Alright, we got Zach going for a ride. This is gonna be sweet, dude. This car is absurd. I mean, look at that. That's gonna be insane. Alright, dude. What'd you think?
Dude, that was crazy.
It's nuts, dude.
Yeah.
Watching you guys take off is insane.
That beats the Tesla any day, dude.
Oh, by far.
Yeah.
By far. Like, that is insane. So we're now driving Zach's BMW. We're gonna go shoot some rollers. You excited?
Oh, this is gonna be so
It's gonna be sweet, dude. Yeah, we're gonna go shoot some rollers, and then we'll get the thoughts and opinions on the car. Gorgeous car. Let's go. Absolutely insane. That profile is just insane. that car was insane. Like, you know, I've driven the Tesla Model S Plaid, and that, you know, being an electric 1,000 horsepower car, you know, that would be, you know, that's kind of my benchmark for most of these cars. For that car down there, that is a different experience. Being able to hear it, and you just like that anticipation, you're just like tensed up, you're waiting, and then all of a sudden it's gone. You just go. It is insane. I mean, that car is just absurd in so many ways. Having drag slicks and, well, you know, the drag wheels on it and stuff like that, being able to hold that kind of power on that car is insane. And I think he said it was around 1,200 wheel where we hit, and that was like insanely fast. I mean, we moved very quickly, and so I was very impressed by that car. And a lot of the amenities it had on the inside as well, I was quite impressed on how kind of creature comforty it had, and the speaker system was good. It had good heated seats, and, you know, stuff like that, stuff for like everyday use and stuff like that. And it was amazing. That's gonna wrap up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.